let me tell you about my favorite movie. It's called The Lion King. This movie is very special to me because it has a great story and wonderful characters. The Lion King is an animated film by Disney. It's about a young lion named Simba who is destined to become king of the Pride Lands. However, his uncle Scar has other plans and tries to take over the kingdom. Simba goes on a journey of self-discovery, meets new friends like Timon and Pumbaa, and eventually learns what it means to be a true leader. One of the reasons I love this movie is because of its powerful message about responsibility and finding your place in the world. Simba goes through a lot of challenges, but he learns from them and becomes a better person, or should I say, a better lion. The animation in The Lion King is also amazing. The scenes are beautifully crafted and the music is so catchy. I can't help but sing along to songs like Hakuna Matata and Circle of Life. Another thing I appreciate about this movie is the humor. Timon and Pumbaa always make me laugh with their funny antics and witty jokes. They add a lot of fun to the story. Overall, The Lion King is a timeless classic that teaches important life lessons in a way that's entertaining for both kids and adults. It's a movie that I can watch over and over again and never get tired of. If you haven't seen it yet, I highly recommend it.